Hi everybody, welcome. My name is Lavinia, and in today's video I have a project share. It is a little folio from a 12 by 12 paper pad, and I've had this paper pad for probably over 10 years. I think I probably either bought it at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, and it's a double-sided, and again, I've had this paper pad for at least 10 years. And I was inspired by another YouTuber who I just recently discovered because I'm just kind of getting back into paper crafting. And her channel's name is Camelia Crafts Designs. So I will link her in the description box of this video if you wanted to check her out, and maybe other videos. She has a tutorial on how she made this. Now I embellished it differently. I have different type pieces of ephemera in there. I deviated a little bit about the pockets, but I will go ahead and I will show you. So I've had this tool also for a long time, and I decided to use this for my closure. And maybe on a Tea Tuesday, I'll talk about this tool. But I do want to, I'm not sure, I guess I can adhere it to the back so that it stays there permanently. But anyway, I have this tool, and then I just took some buttons and I used a paper punch to cut out this flower piece, and I glued these 4 buttons to it, and then added this other button on top. And these were buttons that I got at Hobby Lobby from the Paper Studio, and they were on clearance for $2.24. I have them right now, whoops, in this bucket here, because I was looking for some buttons to add to here. And let's take a look here. So this opens this way and this way. And Camelia, in her video, she used something else to create this closure. So I decided to sew on these buttons just with some thread, and then I used this piece of tulle. And so this opens up this way, and then it opens up this way. So just to show you, I have pieces of ephemera in here. So there's 2 pockets. And then I have this piece of ephemera. It's double-sided, just a little journaling card. And on this side, I made this tag. So it's blank on the other side. And then another note card here. And here, what I decided to do is I just put an index card, so I have it flipped over, scored the line here, and this flips over, so there's the lined area here, blank space here, journaling here. So this is where I had sewed on the buttons, and then I just glued down a couple of pieces of paper just to hide that the knots where the buttons were sewed on. And then here, there's also another pocket, so little journaling card right here. So that fits there. And then here, I glued on a piece of paper just to make this here another pocket, put some other pieces of paper in here for journaling, or to use maybe in a different journal. And then here also a piece of cardstock with 2 tags. So that's there, and then this flips up this way, where there's another little area that I glued down, and another piece of paper there. I could probably put another one here, but I decided not to. So as you can see, there's quite a few little journaling spots, ephemera carrier, maybe a gift card holder. So I'm thinking of selling these and making more of these with the paper pad that I have, and maybe selling 2 for $5. Maybe doing it that way. And then this will flip over here. Again, I could put another area here, another pocket area here where maybe I can add more ephemera. I could put something also here for a back pocket. But I thought this was such a cute idea. And again, if you want to check out Camelia Crafts Designs, you're more than welcome to do so. She has quite a few other different tutorials. I really liked this one. And maybe when I make my next one, I'll do my own tutorial as well. And then this just comes here, and I just tie that there like that. And then just tuck this behind, which is why I'm not sure if I want to glue this or not, or I can just make these pieces here maybe just a little bit shorter. But I thought that was such a cute idea, and I really like the way it turned out. So if you have any questions, let me know, but I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Bye.